Hello, warm welcome to the garden. It's late summer and it's time for harvest. That's why you see me equipped. What shall we be harvesting today? Apples? Not yet. Nevertheless, I can give you a story about the apples that are about to be ready for harvest. First, here. Okay, which one? I've got lots of apples, that's why I'm now confused. Let's talk about this one. If you notice, they're difficult to come off. Look, the experts in Google say that it's around mid-September when they're ready for harvest. And that's true because if we try to pick, if we pull a fruit, they're difficult to come off, meaning they're not yet ready. Let's return the netting to protect them from the birds. On the other side, here, I think this is an early variety. Birds already came to partake. And if we check, let's check if it's easy to come off. Not yet, not yet. But there are some that can easily come off. Not yet. They're still tight. Nevertheless, birds are already coming. I'll knit this today, similar to that one. Okay, let's harvest and let's take a look at the other apples. Other fruits to be visited. They're still sour. I've got your grapes, white grapes. Lots of them, up to here. Hello! But they're still sour, still too early for harvest. Let's harvest instead the vegetables. The vegetables, look at these beauties. Where else? This one. This is big. Okay. Where else? Where else? Where else? I can also talk about the other vegetables here that are ready. Here, alukbate. Look, they are producing newer side shoots for future harvest. I have here a single what's this? A single what? Beans, the kangkong, water spinach. Well, Romulo, you might say, that's a meager harvest. I've got more. Join me. Here is where most of the kangkongs are. I even broke the glass. I think from the side. Let's harvest from this side. For your view. Jiran, look at that. Let's put this here. We might as well stay here because this is where the since we're here and I'm close to this is what we call an amaranth. It is in the family of quinoa and they are harvested for their seeds, eaten as quinoa, and also for their tops, eaten as spinach. They're not yet mature, we're reserving them for later. But for now, the tomatoes. This is where the bounty lies. Look at this bounty. It's difficult to see them because it's my mistake. I crammed the tomatoes here. Very leafy. It's difficult for the camera to catch it or to catch them. Even for me. They're just too cramped. I planted them so close to each other. And it's working against them because they need the sun, the sunshine, and air or wind. Did I say air? Air circulation. Even down to the ground, there are tomatoes. Look. I didn't even provide full support to them, so they're lying on the ground. There's more to harvest here. We'll come back. Since we're here, I might as well talk about the beans here that are coming up. Look, these are French beans. They're beginning to bear fruit. They are the replacement for this climbing beans because they've gone over. Naupangdan kung naming Ilocano. There's still some to harvest, but they're essentially have gone over. More here, possibly the last. Do you also see the pumpkin flowers there? That's for the next harvest, the pumpkins. But for now, look, not bad. Our last harvest of beans on these climbing beans. And next week, or possibly the week after, this one's on the ground, or lower on the ground. And possibly in 3 more weeks, these apples, they're so tight. Oh, thank you, apples. There's more beans here. I wasn't expecting this much beans. Oh, there's more here. That's enough. Let's go. We have enough for today. Let's go to the shed. Join me. Perhaps I'm not the only one with this concern. It's now almost a month and it will be fall, but we don't see any traces of chayote fruits yet. No traces yet, but there are flowers, which can be a sign that it's about to bear fruit. But among this thick foliage of chayote are grapes. Blue grapes. Table grapes. Which are sweet. Yeah, they are indeed. Let's harvest them. It's entangled. I'm gonna come back. There's more. The most exciting time of summer, harvest time. What shall I do with this? This ones, the ampalaya, I'm going to freeze them. The tomatoes, I'm going to make jam out of them. And the kangkong, this will serve as our vegetable stew for lunch today. And the grapes, dessert. Don't go yet because I'll be touring you as well to the or among the flowers. What's left after the glorious colors of summer? Just a few, but still beautiful. Enjoy them. Thank you for your visit today. I'd like to see you again on our next videos as we grow, cook, and share.